Morning, this is Virgil Ryan with Superior Window Solutions and Turf Shield, giving you a live update today. I'm out here in Fallbrook. I've got a client here with a big, beautiful house out here in Fallbrook, and he is getting his yard absolutely torched by the sun. It's actually happening as we speak. You see that little death ray right there? This little thing, I'm going to turn the camera around real quick here so you can see. Actually, I don't know if I can do that. But you see that, oh, there it is. You see this thing going on? That is textbook turf burn happening as we speak. You can actually see the grass moving. You see that? The grass is actually burning as I watch it. It's moving, it's melting in the sun because the refraction off these windows. It's actually that little one right there in the middle. See that bad boy? The one's, oh yeah, that's super hot. Right next to it. All these windows need to do it because it's going to scorch all of his lawn. It's scorching here, it's scorching there, scorching everywhere. Give us a call. We can help protect your lawn before this happens. Thanks, guys. 541-420-4587. That's my cell phone. You can reach us directly at 877-484-6886 or turfshieldpro.com. Have a great week.